In this video, we have to fix NVIDIA GeForce Experience overlay not working. Yes. So for this, you need to go to control panel. In this control panel, click the control panel, and you need to go to program and go to uninstall the program and scroll down, and you can see the NVIDIA is there. Yes, you can see now NVIDIA app, NVIDIA frame view, graphics, HD audio, physical X system software is there. In this, you need to uninstall the NVIDIA app. Once uninstalling this, go to official website of NVIDIA and download the NVIDIA. This is official website, and go and download. Click the download now option, and it's downloaded. After downloaded, click it and install it. Now it's installing right now. Wait for a few minutes. It will installed. Yes, agree and continue, and it is installed right now. So once it installing, you need to check the overlay options. So for that, open the NVIDIA and go to settings. In this NVIDIA overlay is there. Yes, it should be in turned on, and click the Alt plus Z to open the overlay. Yes, click it and you can see the left hand side. You can see the overlay options are there. So you need to check it. If it's not working still now, then you need to do another one method. So go back and in this setting is there. Go to settings and go to system settings and go to display, and here you can see graphics is there. Click graphics and go to hardware acceleration is there. Yes, it should be turned on, and scroll down and you can see the desktop app. You need to add the NVIDIA app and NVIDIA GeForce overlay. So go to program files, go to NVIDIA Corporation, and after that yes, NVIDIA app is there. Click it, and you need to GPU performance. You need to put high performance. Yes, click it and put high performance. Yes. After that, add one more things. Add desktop. Go to NVIDIA overlay. Yes, same. This also NVIDIA overlay also need to turn it on the high performance mode. Yes. After once you turn it on, that you need to go back and restart your PC. Then you can check it. It will work fine. So this is how to fix the issues.